Hello and welcome. This is Kevin, also known as AWOL. And today I wanted to give you a short video to give you a breakdown on how do you make a swatch of the colors that you plan to use on making a bracelet for making your own custom templates. This one should be kind of fun. So I took this photo of the 8 colors that I plan to use, and I've made myself a little blank swatch image, so to speak, over here that I'm going to put those colors onto. Now to do this, you could, I'm on the pencil tool, you can hold control and it will pick like a single pixel of that color, and it may be, see, take a look, if I just move around and click, how many different colors do we get? It makes it kind of difficult to get the essence of the color you're using. So here's the trick. Come to the color picker tool and see it says radius. Just kind of hit the scroll wheel or hit the plus thing to get that radius up a bit higher. And that will mean that when you click to get that color, you're taking a bigger average of a radius of that area where you are clicking at, and you will get your color. It'll come out so much better. And you can bring it over to your swatch, and there's our first color. Now this next color, you might notice that it kind of like up here is a bit darker because it's a little bit more shadow than down here, and I think the lower area is kind of more what the real actual color looks like. So we're gonna just go ahead and select from there. Back to our pencil tool. So we have a light blue, we have a dark blue. The purple, pretty much you could take from anywhere, right? I mean, it's not so bad. How about right there? Back to the pencil, back to our swatch. There's our purple. Now, the program I'm using to make this is GIMP. And one of the main reasons why I use GIMP is because it's a free image manipulation tool that allows you to color and paint and do all kinds of stuff. In fact, it kind of looks like what Photoshop looked like back in like 96, 95, 96, a long time ago. Photoshop used to look a lot like this. And I had preferred the old style of Photoshop as opposed to the when they went to Photoshop CS. And so because I was such a fan, wait a second, hit the wrong thing there we go, March. Such a fan of the old way of doing it, this just kind of felt like a really great natural progression. Like I felt at home with it immediately. That looks like our yellow. Is that our green? I guess that. You can kind of, if it doesn't quite look like the color that you're expecting, you can kind of move around and sort of, that's a little bit, there we go. And there is the swatch that I will use for the next few bracelets, because these are the strings I'm going to have cut up and turned into some kumi loops, and then I'm going to actually make bracelets out of it. So there's my swatch. I wanted to show you guys how that is made, because a lot of my videos I just go and do this kind of thing, and you guys don't get to actually see that part of the make. So hopefully you enjoyed this. Hopefully this was helpful for you. Drop a like, and as always, don't get your strings in a bunch.